Brace yourselves! Audi is about to drop a hybrid bombshell in the performance car world. Meet the all-new 2026 Audi RS5 Sedan. More powerful, more aggressive, and fully electrified. Okay, let's start with the basics. While Audi hasn't officially announced the release date yet, rumors are flying. Sources suggest we'll get our first look before the end of June 2025, with dealer arrivals following shortly after. Now, here's the big question for US fans: wagon or sedan? Well, it looks like North America will only get the sedan version, which technically is more of a liftback. Yep, the Avant wagon might be missing from our shores again this time around. Now for the good stuff. Power. This is where Audi is flipping the script. The 2026 RS5 Sedan marks Audi's first ever plug-in hybrid performance car. Under the hood, you'll find a twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 paired with a high-output electric motor. Combined output? Strap in. It could hit 700 horsepower. Yes, 700. That puts it right in the ballpark of the mighty Mercedes-AMG C63 SE Performance. And because it's a PHEV, expect some all-electric driving capability, perfect for silent stealth mode around town. Of course, power means nothing without control, so Audi's legendary Quattro AWD system is back, enhanced for the hybrid era, to keep those horses pointing in the right direction. As for acceleration, official numbers aren't out yet, but experts predict a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in the low 3-second range. That's supercar territory in a luxury sedan package. This thing doesn't just go fast, it looks like it wants to. Spy shots and renderings show a much more aggressive RS5 than ever before. We're talking wider fenders front and rear, a massive single-frame grille, new slim LED headlights, and massive oval exhausts that scream performance. There's also air vents behind the front wheels, sporty side skirts, and possibly even a small rear spoiler. This car isn't hiding its intentions. Inside, expect top-tier materials, bolstered sport seats with RS badging, and Audi's latest tech, including a large central touchscreen and a fully digital instrument cluster with race-inspired RS-specific displays. Audi never lets their tech fall behind, and the RS5 is no exception. You'll get the latest MIB4 infotainment system, packed with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and maybe even a head-up display. Driver assistance tech will likely include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Audi's excellent parking pilot system. Even at full tilt, this car will have your back. The 2026 RS5 Sedan is going straight to war with two heavy hitters: the BMW M3 and the Mercedes-AMG C63 SE Performance. But Audi brings something new to the table: a plug-in hybrid system that doesn't sacrifice performance. In fact, it enhances it. If they nail the balance between efficiency and insanity, this could be the most exciting RS5 yet. Sure, this is a high-performance machine, but how much will it cost? While official pricing is still under wraps, estimates put the starting MSRP around $80,000, which lines it up perfectly with its rivals. So what do we think? This is a turning point for Audi's RS lineup. It's embracing electrification not as a compromise, but as a weapon. With up to 700 horsepower, stunning design, and cutting-edge tech, the 2026 Audi RS5 Sedan is more than ready to take on the best in the business. If you're a fan of performance cars, and especially if you've been waiting for Audi to step into the hybrid future, this is one you cannot miss. Hit that like button, drop a comment below telling us what you want to see in the RS5, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the hottest new cars coming your way. Until next time, keep your tires spinning and your engines roaring.